Hello, this tutorial is regarding loops in C language. Generally, there are three types of loop in C language. They are while loop, do while loop, and for loop. First, we are looking what is while loop, how it is going to be written. So, in while loop, the syntax is as follows: while within the parenthesis we write the condition, and within the open and closing flower braces we write the statements and increment and decrement operators. So the example is, for example, I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to 10, then we have to print I value. So I plus plus, so this statement increments I value by every time 1 until the condition gets false. So first, generally the I value is 1 and I1 is less than or equal to 10, so the condition is true. Then this will enter into the loop. It prints the I value as 1. After that, the I value will be incremented by 1. So now I value becomes 2. So 2 is less than to 10. Then the value of I will be printed as 2. Printed as 2. Then after the I value is incremented by 1. Now the I value becomes 3. And the condition again becomes true, so it will enter the loop. In this way all the 10 values will be printed. After that, the I value becomes 11. I value becomes 11, so 11 less than or equal to 10, this condition is false, so the control jumps out of the loop by printing 1 to 10. Next, do while. So in do while loop, first we write statements and increment decrement within open and closing flower braces. Then after we check for the condition. For this reason, do while is called entry control loop. While entering into the loop, it executes the statements and then after increment the statement by 1 or the value by 1, then it checks for the condition. If the condition is false, even though the condition is false, the statements are get executed at least once. This is the main difference between while and do while. And in while there is no semicolon required after the condition, but in do while the semicolon is required after the condition. This indicates the end of the loop. For example, here I equal to 1, the same what we have done in while loop. I equal to 1, we are printing the I value as 1. We are printing the I value as 1, and after that the value is incremented by 1. Now I becomes 2, 2 less than or equal to 10, condition true. So again the value is printed as 2, again it will be incremented by 1, again the condition is checked. In this way the I value will be checked for while I value is checked until the value is less than or equal to 10. Even though after the I value, after printing the 10, the I value is incremented by 1, which becomes false. So this will now the condition is false, then it comes out of the loop. So next we have for loop. So in for loop, generally for loop is separated by, for loop is a combination. In for loop we write three types of statements. There are initialization, condition and increment or decrement operator, which are separated by semicolon. So initialization indicates that from where we have to start the loop, and after based upon the value initialized here, the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then only the statements are get executed. After executing the statements, again the value will be incremented or decremented by 1. Again this value is checked by the condition and the statements are get executed. Again it will be incremented or decremented. Again the condition is checked. This process continues till the condition gets false. The same way here the example is, for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. So condition is true. Next we are doing? We are printing the I value as 1. Then this I value is incremented by 1 with this statement, increment or decrement. I plus plus, now I becomes 2, 2 is less than to 10, so next 2 will be printed. In this way all 10 values will be executed, all the 10 values will be printed. After that I value becomes 11, 11 less than or equal to 10, so the condition gets false. Now the control comes out of the loop. So the major differences between while and do while are, in while condition is written at the top of the loop, but whereas in do while condition is written at the bottom of the loop, as we have seen here like this. So condition is written at the top of the loop, so here it is written, and in do while condition is written at the bottom of the loop. Next, condition is checked first and then statements are executed. In the while loop, first condition is checked. If the condition is true, then only it will enter into the loop. So this is called entry control loop. But in do while statement, the statements are get executed, then after the condition is checked. For this reason it is also said to be as, it is also called as exit control loop. In while loop, statements in the loop executes based on the condition evaluated. Statement do while, statements execute even for